Hello everybody and welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. Today we're going to be talking about a hybrid buggy. For the space enthusiasts, this could be a moon buggy, because what it's got is a little solar panel, underneath a set of batteries, and then you've got a switch with which you can select between solar or battery power. So on top it's got the motor, the gearbox, the final drive reduction, and then some elastic bands that drives the one axle. There's one shaft, although they do drive the shaft from both sides with two pulleys. So here's your kit. You've got your base, got a motor, set of gears, got the solar panel. Can't store electricity. It's a valid point. Moving on. They get you to install the battery compartment in the bottom and install the axles. Then install the top plate and the selector switch for solar or battery. Then on the top plate you install the motor, assemble the gearbox, and put the gearbox onto the top plate with the motor. Next up, assemble the final drive axle, the output shaft to the gearbox, mounted on the top plate. Now there's the electrical stuff to do. Wire it up as per that drawing. Solar panel, motor, the push button which turns the entire unit on or off, then the selector switch for battery or solar. And that's pretty much it. So let's bring in our little buggy and all its glory. There it is. So here's your motor, pinion, gear, pulleys, and then here on the other side you see the selector switch and the power switch. Now that's currently on, so what I'm going to do, move that switch across, and then I'm going to turn it on and run it, and you'll hear what it sounds like, because this audio is better, and I'll show you the video of it running in the sunlight. See, here we go. And back to the desk. That's a little buggy. Now which way does it run? It's there we go. It runs quite nicely. It's a nice toy. It was good fun building it. Hope that you've enjoyed this talk. I've hoped that this has taught you something, inspires you and motivates you to do your own. Learn more about mechanical devices, electrical devices, electronics and so on. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.